This is the video inspection of the Haas VF3. 7,500 RPMs, fourth axis ready. Got an HRT 160 in it right now. We'll go ahead and we'll move the X, Y, and Z around. Start with the Z. With the Y. X. I'll go ahead with the rotary. Go ahead and stimulate a tool change. Next we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. The spindle at 2,000 RPMs to start. We've already done a pre-warm on it. That spindle's going at 2,000 RPMs right now. Go ahead and kick it up to 4,000 RPMs. That's 4,000 RPMs on the spindle. $6,000 RPMs. That's 7,500 RPMs right now on the spindle. Do a quick walk around. This machine had all brand new glass put in. The machine was repainted. There's a brand new chip auger motor included. That was all redone. Go ahead and run the chip auger for you. And that's running right now. Very quiet now. Let's do a quick walk around. We'll get the serial number off of it. Serial number 5103. Look at the inside the cabinet here. And on the other side. That's through the glass. Very clear. And this concludes the video inspection of the Haas VF3.